accounting is, sabi nga nila, never stop learning, no? Particularly in accounting,
Yeah.
yes. By the way, we have our own CPA review center, no? So, the Advanced Review Solutions, or the ARS CPA review. And because of the ARS and the Advanced Review Solutions, we also want to help others, particularly yung mga walang pera, no, na mga
Wow.
estudyante, and they want to become certified public accountant. And because of education, no, for us kasi, importante, no, very important is education. That's why for me naman, to learn more, no, and to learn more at the same time, to share my knowledge to them also.
Good day and welcome to the Leader's Edge. Today marks season 20, episode 4. And with our special guest for today, none other than John Michael Angelo Lopo, JM to his friends, who will be talking about an accountant for all seasons. So, John, could you please say something about yourself?
All right. So first of all, thank you, Sir Gina, no, for inviting me here, no, in your show, particularly about to share, no, my accounting knowledge, to share my accounting experience, no. So by the way, I am John Michael Angelo Z. Lopo, no. So just call me J-Man for short. Combinations of my three names, no. I'm a CPA, no. I am a CPA by profession, a certified public accountant.
Mm-mm.
And also I have my MBA degree, no.
Wow.
And then also I am taking up now, no, I am ongoing, no, for my PhD. I am
Awesome.
Atenean, no. So Atenean from high school until PhD, no, from Ateneo Dinaga. So
Wow.
I took up
Uh,
my BS accountancy in Ateneo Dinaga, and MBA in Ateneo de Manila, and PhD also in Ateneo de Manila.
ang tawag
So
dyan, true blue.
true blue, yeah, true blue.
Yeah.
Men and women for others. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Men and
My
women.
best friend happens to be an Atenean as well. Management
Wow.
engineering
Management engineering ba?
sa
Uh,
Ateneo. Mm-mm.
Ateneo de Manila, yeah. If
He was there from elementary all the way to
oh,
college.
yeah, yeah,
Kaya
yeah.
alam ko yung term na yan eh, true blue.
Sure, yeah, true blue. Yeah, yeah. So,
Wow, so matindi pala yung ano, yung educational attainment mo tsaka
yes.
yung desire mo to
Yeah,
continue to grow.
yes.
Here's a question. Uh,
Mm-mm.
Jaymar, palibasa, you have already learned so much and you have a
Mm-mm.
CPA and an
Yeah.
MBA.
Mm-mm.
I remember nung buhay pa si Gus Apoymo, who
Mm-mm.
became a good friend of mine, and he's a professor kasi dati sa
Yeah.
AIM. And he was the only one at the time certified to teach
Um,
um, management accounting.
yeah.
Yeah, no? So
Yeah.
he said very few people ever go this far. Yung bang CPA na nga sila, tapos
Mm-mm.
mag-MBA pa sila, ganyan. Just out of curiosity, what
Yeah.
spurs your desire to
Mm-mm.
continue growing? Apart from obviously adding more letters to the end of your name, uh, what
Yeah.
drives you?
For me, no, education is you should learn more, no,
Mm,
because accounting is, sabi nga nila, never stop learning, no. Particularly in accounting,
yeah.
yes. By the way, we have our own CPA review center, no. So, the Advanced Review Solutions, or the ARS CPA review. And because of the ARS and the Advanced Review Solutions, we also want to help others, particularly yung mga walang pera, no, na mga
Wow.
estudyante, and they want to become certified public accountant. And because of education, no, for us kasi, importante, no, very important is education. That's why for me naman, to learn more, no, and to learn more at the same time, to share my knowledge to them also. And that's my advocacy in life. That's why I am also professor, you know,
Mm.
in accounting, professor in Ateneo, professor in De La Salle University, Manila, no. So, and also Beda, yeah,
All
blue and
right.
green, yeah.
Yeah. It's like the best of both worlds. Yeah.
Yes,
Uh,
yes. More
we're
collaboration, right?
totoo. And that's where the world really ought to be, working
Yes, because
together.
of pandemic, no. That's the effect of pandemic. Right after pandemic, more partnership, more collaboration.
Mm.
Like GMA and ABS-CBN, right? Now,
Totoo.
research of Ateneo and Lasal. No? Dati magkaaway, di ba, dati? Because
Especially in
of the
basketball, yeah.
basketball, yeah. But now, hindi na eh.
Mm. That brings that a very very obvious question because um normally when we go to get a good education and find
Mm-mm.
a really solid profession, it's so that we can either provide for ourselves or for our family, and yet here you are, gladly willing to offer your knowledge and help
Yes.
the less fortunate. um what what brought this on? Was there something or someone in your past that gave you
Yeah.
this heart of gold, the willingness to reach out to the less fortunate?
Maybe because my father was also professor, no? And also my lola kasi is also a professor, no?
Oh,
And
wow.
then so my lolo dati, I
Mm-mm.
remember we had the boarding house, no, sa Bicol. So may mga time there are a lot of students talaga residing, no, in our apartment, no, in our
Mm-mm.
apartment and boarding house, no. And may mga nakita ko doon na talagang walang-wala sila, no. Sabi ng
Wow.
lolo ko, okay lang yan, basta you should study, no.
Mm-mm.
Bayaran niyo na lang ako if you finish your study. Para ganun. So that's why parang nakita ko dati, no, sa mga estudyante na they want to study but yun nga, they cannot afford, no. So
Mm-mm.
sabi ko, if ever that if I have blessings from above, no, or someone gave me, no, an opportunity, and because of my lolo, no, I am a certified public accountant kasi siya yung nagpaaral sa akin, no. Sabi ko, I will help others, no.
Mm-mm.
For me, that's my advocacy in life, no, to help others, to the less fortunate, no,
Mm-mm.
para they can also afford to go to school and also to take the CPA board exam.
Ang galing, ang galing. Just out of curiosity, especially to our female viewers, are you
Mm.
married already?
Yes, I am married,
Oh,
no.
okay. Bad news,
With,
ladies. Uh,
okay.
taken na po ang ating guest, okay? But for those of you who want to become CPA someday,
Yeah.
take heart because our guest is a man with a heart of gold. Which leads me to my next question. Um, paano nanggaling yung CPA or accountant for all seasons? Is
Mhm.
that like a title for a coming book or is that a philosophy that you have?
Certified public accountant, no. I remember when I was still in high school, no, we had course inventory exam, no, and so happened number one course talaga for me is accountancy.
Mm,
Because of
mm-mm,
that, no, because of that, I followed that analysis, no, of my career, and because of that career, no, talagang mahal na mahal ko yung accounting, no.
wow.
Yeah, and because of that, no, I am now a CPA, no,
Mm, mm,
certified public accountant, and because of that, yun nga, because of my advocacy, because of the CPA, no, I want to help others,
mm,
and
mm.
also one of my advocacy also, sana, yes, you're a CPA, pero better than if you are entrepreneur, uh,
Yeah.
because so happen kasi sir, if ever man na napunta ako ng ibang bansa, no,
Mm-mm.
baka sa ibang bansa there's no parang zero unemployment, no,
Right.
especially in Middle East, no.
Yeah.
Tapos, so habang ako ay nasa airport, ba't kaya ganun, no? And there are a lot of Pakistani,
Oh,
there are a lot of Indian
okay.
and Nepal and Filipino, no?
Mm.
And all of them are all employees, no? And ang
Oh.
employer nila is of course mga Arabo, no? So sabi
Mm.
ko, what if kaya sa Pilipinas, all of us are entrepreneur, no?
Yeah.
And siguro wala nang unemployed sa Pilipinas and ang ating mga empleyado ay mga foreigners, di ba?
Mm.
Mga Indian, no? Baliktad na, no? So hopefully, that's also one of my advocacy, no, na yes, for teaching at the same time to become entrepreneur.
That is such a wonderful advocacy. Many of the people who've been guests on this show, which include people like Joe Magsaysay, David Almirol, Boogie, Boy Don, they all uh, had this deep desire to be entrepreneurs. And
Yes.
so you follow in many, many great
I know
footsteps.
them, no? I know them because
Mm-mm.
I am also part of the top 30 Filipinos in
There you
LinkedIn, no? That's why I click with my Kaisa, the Carmen's Best, right?
Mm-mm. Alam mo, I sometimes marvel at those who love math and the beauty of it kasi it can be so symmetric, it can be so clear. um is there like a fundamental love for the clarity that comes from being able to balance things, from being able to trace and find out
Yeah.
um things like cash flow, financial
Yes.
health?
Yeah.
Meron ka talagang
Yeah,
love
because
na ganyan.
in accounting kasi, yeah, we have math, no? Pero dapat you're also good in analysis, no? More on
Totoo.
analytical and also at the same time math in investment.
Mm. So kumbaga, those would be some of the uh, competencies that people need to have, and that is to be able to do critical thinking, analytical thinking. So you're not just looking at numbers, you
Yeah.
strive to understand the story behind the numbers
Correct.
so that you
Yeah.
can explain it to the stakeholders, those who
Correct.
would like to find out, hey, where'd the money go?
Correct.
Or bakit tayo kumita dito? Ba't tayo nalugi doon? Yung mga ganyan, no?
Correct.
Uh,
So,
so that's probably part of the joy that comes from doing what you do, being able to help those in the dark
mm,
suddenly be illuminated. Hmm.
mm,
So here's a question. I'm just really curious kasi without going too deeply into anything controversial,
mm.
I'm just really curious. How critical would CPAs be in, say, investigations, for example, revolving around unexplained confidential funds? Yung
But,
mga ganyan, no?
of course, number one, in the essence, though, as long as if I am the auditor, no, of that kind of confidential funds, no,
Yeah.
of course, number one is we should also be follow what is right, no,
Yeah.
and avoid what is wrong, no.
Mm-mm.
Particularly, you are accountant, no, so you should value ethics, diba?
Oh, yeah.
So we need to say we should value integrity and at the same
Mm-mm.
time credibility and objectivity. So because of that, we need also to avoid bias or any biases or to become honest, no?
Yeah.
Especially about now, no, in our government, no, particularly for the confidential funds, no.
Mm. Ah,
Uh, for me, the most important here is to be transparent, no,
mm.
and also to have an accountability, no.
Mm.
Yes, confidential fund, pero dapat yung perang yon ay dapat talaga napunta sa totoong what do you call that? Parang constituent, no? So
Mm.
hindi yung gawa-gawa lang, no? So
I know what you mean.
yeah, for me the word is to be transparent
Yes.
at the same time to be accountable, no? Kung wala naman talagang kasalanan, of course, 'di ba kung wala kang kasalanan is you tell them, no? This is to be transparent, no? This is
Mm-mm.
my performance, this is my cash position, this is my balance sheet, my income statement, no? So
Mm-mm.
you're free to audit.
So what I'm getting from you, and I think you're right, uh,
Yeah.
she's better off saving her money,
Yes.
not hiring too many lawyers, but hiring the right CPAs,
Correct.
those who know how to track
Yeah.
down where the money went. Para kung gusto niya ng
Yes.
credible defense, o eto, yan,
Yeah.
transparent yan. This is where the money
Transparent.
went. Ito
Yeah.
yung mga nabayaran ko. You know,
Together together with all the source documents. No?
yung, oh, kasi kung walang source documents, saan yung paper trail mo? Saan yung
Correct.
patunay mo na dito nga napunta yung pera?
Yes,
Um,
correct.
so, among the many challenges that a CPA might face, kasi as you said, no, parang you have to be a CPA or an accountant for all seasons. I'm sure not all seasons are rosy. Some of them
Correct.
can be very challenging. Like, for example, pag tax season na,
Yeah.
madalas walang tulugan yan. Yun yung
Correct.
kita mo, folding bed sa SGV, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung doon na sila kumakain. Walang
Bago
uwian.
ano before April 15, 'di ba?
Totoo, eh, nagkakandara pa sila. Um, did you ever go through your own crucible like that? I mean, and yet you never lost your love for for the profession.
My first job was in Allied Bank, no? So
Oh.
Allied Banking Corporations, and now it is now the Philippine National Bank, no? Yes, I am also auditor for that, no?
Mm,
Pero not like in the SGV we're in talagang talagang April 15, 'di ba? Talagang usan yung
yeah.
audit, no?
Mm,
But we have a small firm, no? The Lopo Asusana Ortega. So
awesome.
yun talagang before April 5. Although di pa lang kami malaki, no? Maliit pa
Mm-mm.
lang naman kami. Pero talagang nafe-feel mo yung ano, you need to pass or you need to audit all the FS of your clients, no?
Mm.
For April 15.
Awesome. So sometimes it helps no not to be too big too fast kasi syempre you have to be able to satisfy the needs, the regulatory needs of the government, and at the same time, be able to manage the expectations of your client base. Uh,
Correct.
so, given that your job is already so heavy,
Mhm.
how do you find time to do parang kawang gawa or to help the less fortunate? You must you must
Mhm.
be a wizard at balancing, work life and
Yes,
all that.
time management, no? As long as every Sunday is time for my family, no? So we
Mm,
attend mass, yun, lalabas kami, nakakain sa labas. Yun yung for Sundays, no?
mm,
Pero usually pa nga, pag umaga na Sunday, may turo pa rin ako. Pero I see to it that every Sunday is we attend mass with my wife and my only son, no? And Monday to Saturday talagang review classes, no, lecture classes in schools. Also may part-time job pa din, no? So parang
mm.
ganun.
So I'm sure when you were studying in the Ateneo, there were some professors who you might say were instrumental in
Yes.
making you interested in the subject. So let me give you a chance to shout out and mention who they are, just to thank
For
them.
me, yeah. For me, Prof. Mars Balgos, no,
Mm.
of AGSB with the MBA kasi because of him, I found my ikigai, no?
Oh,
Your and also of course with Prof. John Balaong also, no?
you.
Kasi with Ateneo, it is more on ethical, no? And the last one is Prof. Eliseo Aureliado, CPA, no? So siya talaga yung nagturo sa akin about the essence of accounting.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, for anybody out there who is thinking of taking up accounting as a profession, um, try to get yourself enrolled under those professors. Not to
Yes.
say that the
Exactly.
others aren't any good; they are. It's just that these are the ones that have shaped and influenced our guest today. In other
Yes.
words, it made him want to continue and even to pursue higher studies. Eh,
Yes.
how long does it take to get a PhD?
So PhD is 4 years, 3 years to 4 years. No?
Wow.
It would depends on your dissertation with your paper. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
MBA 2.5 hour, 2.5 years. No?
Mm. So talagang ano 'yan, kailangan may commitment ka sa
A commitment. No? Yeah.
sa learning process at saka sa mga requirements. Um,
Correct.
what would for you, what would be some of your defining moments, yung experiences that you consider milestones in your career as a CPA?
All right. As a milestone, no, when uh, when we had the CPA Review Center, no, so
Mm-mm.
for me, ito yung pinaka uh, my greatest ano parang achievement, no, is to have our own CPA Review Center, no, here in
Awesome.
Moraita, Manila. So
Wow.
ngayon mismo sa Moraita, Manila ako. Now why? Because yun nga, we want to help others, we want to
Mm-mm.
help more accountants, no, or more students to
Mm-mm.
become certified public accountant. And now we opened also in Bicol, in Naga City, since I am also a Bicolano, and I am proud to be part Bicolano ako, Nagenyo, no, in Taganaga, uh, Naga City, no. So that's why we open here because yun nga, nakatulong ako sa iba, and we
Mm.
want to help in Bicol, no. So
Mm.
the advanced review solution in Naga City.
Mm.
So first batch pa lang kami, nakaumpisa pa lang, and we hope that we will continue to strive for more and to strive for excellence.
A question for you, Jmar, would be um, when it comes to AI, are there any tools that make, say, a CPA's job easier these days?
AI, yes, AI is for me is only a guide, no?
Mm.
Pero please don't copy everything, no, about
Yeah,
the 'di ba dati Google mo na lang yan, 'di ba? Ngayon hindi na, AI mo na lang, no?
totoo, totoo.
For me, it is easy na, no? Especially in research, especially in if you want to study more, no? AI na mas madali, no?
Mm-mm.
Pero yung ibang estudyante kasi they just copy everything, copy paste without
Oo nga naman.
understanding, 'di ba?
Oo.
So, without understanding it, no? Eh sa, 'di
Mm.
ba, time natin walang gano'n, no?
Yep.
During the time, only encyclopedia siguro or 'di ba? For us, AI can help pero
Yeah.
as a guide, no, as a guide, but please study well
Mm.
and to analyze, especially in accounting.
Yes. And to our viewers, you would do well to heed his words kasi nga uh just getting the information without reading it at least or
Yes.
studying it at least uh is no good because AI can make you lazy and it should because a CPA is by the nature of the work sobrang sipag sila kasi they have to be able to account for every little centavo,
Yeah.
down to the last decimal point. Napakahalaga niyan. Um, I have a question. Siguro for those who are curious about learning accounting, have you ever taught like say accounting for non-accountants? Yung mga
Yes. Yes.
could you tell us about a little bit more about it?
That's also I am also part of the La Salle University School of Lifelong Learning,
Ooh,
and we had siguro every quarter accounting for non-accountants, no.
awesome.
uh we help businesses, no, we help businessmen, no, that no accounting background,
Mm-mm.
of course, to learn the basic of accounting, no, to appreciate the basic of accounting. So I
Mm-mm.
just teach about the debit and credit, no,
Yeah.
and how they prepare the FS, no.
Mm-mm.
I also that is also my first teaching, no. I remember nung
Oh.
when we had another business, no, the Strive Executive Asia. So I teach uh accounting for non-accountants, especially during the pandemic, no?
Mm.
Particularly to the OFW, no? So,
Nice.
kasi nga, sabi namin, huwag na kayong pumunta ng ibang bansa, no?
Mm.
Just put up your own business and we will help you.
Wow.
So, yun yung ginawa namin through GCI Makati, no? So,
Mm.
that was to 2021 with the OFW Preneur, no?
Oh, nice.
Yun, gusto namin ipagpatuloy yun, no? Para at least yung mga OFW na umuwi sa bansa natin, especially
Mm-mm.
during the pandemic, no? Kasi,
Mm.
siyempre, pag OFW ka, your family is affected, no? So, to that, no? That's why, if you have your own business, we will help you to
Mm.
sustain also, no? Or to create your own business
Mm.
with the accounting and non-accountants.
Wow. Uh, so if there were a bit of advice you'd like to give somebody who might be thinking na parang allergic sila sa math, kasi may mga taong ganun eh.
Mhm.
uh, uh, what made math beautiful to you and how might math be beautiful to us who are
For
non-accountants?
Yeah, for me, no, as long as you will be able to analyze or
Mm-mm.
you are good in analysis,
Mm-mm.
and also you know how to know, no, the real concept of math of investment, no,
Ah,
you can be able to appreciate the beauty of accounting, no, kasi iba kasi more on memorization, di ba?
yes.
For me, as long as you know the conceptual framework of it, no, the
Mm.
importance of it, no, you can be able to love, no, accounting, no, kasi yun nga, accounting, dapat you are good in analysis.
Mm-mm.
Also, in terms of, kasi pag wala kang analysis, no, you cannot be able to understand accounting, no?
Mm-mm.
Yun. So, parang for me, you should not memorize, but you should understand and analyze the concept.
Wonderful. If people wanted to reach you or consult with you, how would they do that?
Yeah, so you can type or you can search me in LinkedIn, no? Just have my name, John Michael Angelo Lopo.
All
So
right.
I am one of the top 30 Filipinos in LinkedIn and top 100 also in Filipinos in LinkedIn. So for me, importante yan, no? Kasi the importance of network, no?
Mm.
Also, I have my YouTube channel, Master Accounting.
Uy,
Uh, yeah,
dapat
Master.
mag-subscribe ako dyan.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir. Also, TikTok, same Master Accounting.
Oh, okay.
And Facebook, Master Accounting. Yeah.
Mm. Okay, so for those of you who heard that, please do check out his channel and take time to subscribe, like and share kasi you're bound to learn a lot from somebody with a heart of gold and who is an accountant for all seasons. So, um, I'd like again to thank John Michael Angelo or J Ma J Mar to his
Okay.
friends, yeah, for being our guest. It's such a unique privilege to have you here. So for everybody, let me just remind everyone that our next guest is going to be Professor Daniel Broby, who will be talking about how finance technology is going to reshape fund management. So, that is a wonderful follow up to this wonderful discussion with our guest today, John Michael. Kasi from accounting for all seasons to having a talk with somebody who's going to help us understand, say, blockchain technology and how fund management is changing, that is such an area for growth. So always remember to like, share, and subscribe, and never forget that, like our guest today, learning is a never ending journey with limitless vista. Good day.